Hello, I'm MichKathy, and I'm excited to demonstrate Clue Tracker's Puzzle Assistant feature, which is now available on both iOS and Android. This feature helps you solve a couple types of ciphers when you're on the road and may not be able to use your normal cipher solving tools. To access the Puzzle Assistant, view the clues for a particular letterbox. Then tap in the top right corner and choose Open Puzzle Assistant. The next step is to select a decoder to use. For this particular letterbox, I want the decoder for letter numbers. One point while I'm here, if you need a decoder that isn't built into the Clue Tracker and you can't remember the website, you can choose Open Rumpkin. Now that I've selected a decoder, I'll make a selection in this area. Since I don't want to spoil the clues, I'm only going to select the first two paragraphs. Then I tap the Decode button, and I'll see the results. Although it's not required, I like to tap the Copy to Notes button so the selection is added to my existing notes for this letterbox. Next, let's tackle a letterbox that uses a different kind of code. For this letterbox, we need the Morse code decoder, which operates a lot like the letter numbers one. First, choose the decoder, then scroll down to the part of the clue that needs decoding. Make a selection. For Morse code, it's okay if you select some text that isn't Morse code. Other letters are not translated. Now tap Decode, and then Copy to Notes, and you're done. I hope you'll try out the Puzzle Assistant and Clue Tracker and give us feedback. Thanks for watching.